I thought it's about a heart of a person that can tell tales by ripping it off from its chest.
Oh, that's an interesting idea. Boy, I think you could write your own short stories.
When I read the first paragraph, I just I called him Mr. Psychopath.
Psychopath.
Yeah.
So what name did you give him?
Mr. Mentally Ill.
Mentally ill.
Discipline because he clearly stated that he don't want to kill the old man, but he just doesn't want to see that.
He might not madman, but I think he got some mental illness because it's like very strange habit that he hate the eye of the old man, but
as a judge, because it's like a murderer who is trying to convince the judge that he
Also makes the relatable, like the anxiety that builds within the story itself. So it's make us on the unsafe place as we are carried through his action with him. I mean, with the narrator.
I mean, not only he asked us to be involved in the story, but he actually asked us to think about the character, like why did he do this and what made him do this, kind of stuff.
I feel like listening to an instrument telling a story.
From his perspective?